break my mom's laptop. I shouldn't be doing that because guess what? I'm home alone right now. And I'm bored as fuck. So this is what I'm gonna be doing. You know what else I'm doing? I'm being a badass and I'm using my sister's cord so that I can plug this in so that I can get M3 Chloe and I can make a music video for you guys. Because I happen to be obsessed with that song right now. You know what other song I'm obsessed with? All Time Low Backseat Serenade. Thank you, Stephen Parker. Get that shit stuck in my head because you put it in one of your music. Put it in one of your videos. Music in the background. What is my hair doing? I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but I'm like screaming into the mic because I don't know if you can hear me or not. But there's a little green thing that goes up and down, so I know if you can hear me, but like when I'm talking like this, I don't think you can hear me. Which is pretty shitty! But I'm gonna go get that music for you. Yeah. Okay, bye! I just wanna play some on my laptop.